In this video, I will show you 4 easy-to-follow principles of intentional living that I was able to master that you should know about. These principles are very easy, and you might have already adopted some of them. It will just be a matter of reshaping each principle to tie them up towards your personal goal of intentional living. 1. I made a list of my values. These values are the standards by which I judge myself and others. My values include honesty, integrity, compassion, love, etc. These values help me take control of many situations in my life. Try listing down the values you intentionally want to apply in the comment section below. 2. I wrote down 3 goals that I would like to achieve within the following year. For myself, I wanted to lose weight, earn more money, and write a book. You must include the priority for these 3 goals. There will be times when you can only choose doing one of them, and sacrificing or delaying the other 2 is your best option. Having the priority will help you make your decision. By having 3 specific goals, you will be able to plan your activities to achieve each one of them intentionally. What are your 3 goals this year? Share your thoughts in the comment box below. 3. I take action every day to move closer to achieving those 3 goals. Because I wanted to lose weight, I started exercising and eating healthier meals before taking action. It also helped me a lot when I wrote on the steps I needed to do for each goal. Sometimes, if you only put your plans and your thoughts, it can get easily wiped out when you get sidetracked to other things. Writing them down helped me. Then try adding a bit more details in your action plan, like enrolling in Gym XYZ, going to the gym after work, subscribing to calorie-specific meal plans, etc. This will help you better understand what you need to do to move closer to achieving your goals. 4. I focused on being grateful for everything I had. I am thankful for my health, family, friends, job, car, home, etc. Being grateful removes any worry from my mind. It made me achieve freedom in doing what I plan in life. I felt positive every day, which helped me take action on my goals. It's a never-ending source of motivation in life. Try thinking of anything you are grateful for and share it in the comment section below. The main challenge you will have here is sustaining and adhering to these 4 principles. Remember, when you encounter problems or issues, that there are many things you are happy about, and they are more than enough reasons for you to continue progressing with whatever intention you have in your life. If you follow these 5 steps, you will progress toward your dreams, and you will feel happier and more fulfilled than ever before. So take control of your life today and begin to live intentionally. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.